I'm John, and this is Chris, and we're both with Caddy Daddy Presents. Chris has been working behind the scenes forever, and now we're going to get him sort of in front of the camera, and we're going to take on this great mission. I don't think anybody's done this before. Caddy Daddy has specialized in 59 Cadillacs for over 40 years, and if you've watched my videos, you know that I'm restoring a 59 Cadillac Eldorado Barrett from the ground up that Neil Young sold me. Well, here's the catch. Thanks to Jonas, and people in the business will know who Jonas is, I have this wonderful 59 Fleetwood. We're going to take this car apart piece by piece. We're going to catalog the parts. We're going to clean the parts. If you need a set of nuts and bolts, if you need a hoodlet molding set of screws that go in to retain it, we're going to have those together as used. If we can find them new, we'll have kits for that. But the main thing is, I don't think anybody's ever done this before. We think it's going to take us about 6 months to go through this car. It's a very slow process. And so what we're going to do is we're going to show you. We're going to start with the hood first, and I really appreciate you, Chris, taking on this. This is going to be
it's not a problem. World. It's going to be really fun.
Yeah, so let's get to work, all right?
All right.
All right, the first two things we're going to take off. How do you like our custom supports for the hood? Don't feel safe about that, so we better get in and take off the hood first. So we're going to take off the springs, and I actually don't know the size of the bolts and hold it in, but we will soon. We'll have them all nice and clean. And then after that, we're going to take off the cowl rubber here. For those of you that don't know it, we now have 5960 hood springs restored in cadmium plate, just like the originals, or if you're not into that whole show quality, just a nice black sprayed, totally restored hood hinge.